Hi everyone, this is Gordon Schrenk with Azamba, and today I'm going to be talking about our newest update to one of our add-ons. This is Easy Buttons 2.0. As you know, Easy Buttons are designed to make repetitive tasks even quicker for your sales team. They don't need to be messing around, entering extra information inside of Quick Create here, filling in all these details. They don't need to be messing around, going to related, going to activities, waiting for this to load, clicking new activity, so forth. Instead, right from the summary screen, we have a panel here for Easy Buttons. So one of the big concerns with salespeople and CRM is that it takes too long to enter data, and no one wants to sit around entering data when they could be out selling. But then they often run into these problems of asking themselves, when did I meet with this customer? Did I ever follow up with them? And that's something that Easy Buttons is really great at helping out with. If you look at the blue buttons here, these are the original default buttons that we made for Easy Buttons, but you'll also see some new buttons here in green, these custom buttons. Now these buttons are not out of the box. I actually made these myself using the new Easy Button Builder. So we're going to be taking a look at that and how it can help your salespeople. To access the Easy Button records, there's two ways of doing it. I have the entity added to the sitemap. Anyone can add the Easy Buttons to the sitemap. I can just pull it up here. If you do not have Easy Buttons over here, you can also pull it up through the Advanced Find lookup. If I click on the Advanced Find, and I scroll down to Easy Buttons, hit results, you can see all the buttons that I have in the system right now. And if I want to make a new one, I can just click on a new Easy Button, or I can click into any one of these to edit them as well. Since I do have Easy Buttons on the sitemap, we'll go ahead and just click into there. And so I'm working on a sales process right now where if a customer does a walk-in, I kind of have an automated process of how I handle the sale, how I follow up with them, any extra steps that I need, and I'm trying to make it as simple as possible for myself. So I have a button just to create the record for the walk-in appointment. Customer comes in off the street. I don't want to, it's not a planned thing. I just want a quick, easy, oh, they walked in, click, appointment record made. The second is the customer being interested in standard package opportunity, and you can get as granular with this as you want. You can make a deluxe package, 100 quantity, 1 quantity, whatever kind of products that you're selling or offering or services or anything. You can make a button tailored specifically for that opportunity type. I also want to make sure I'm following up via email, and let's actually take a look at that button here real quick, and we can look at the builder. So if I click into walk-in follow-up email, I can change or alter the label here of the button itself. I can alter the action. This is what type of record we are making with this button. In this case, it's email. You can also see on here, I can create an account record, appointment, case, contact, opportunity, phone call, tasks. Keep that on email. I can choose what entity I want it to display on. Right now, we're looking at it in the account entity. I can also have this Easy Button available on the cases entity, on the contact entity, on the opportunity entity. Depending on what your salespeople's process is, you can put it everywhere. You can put it in specific places for them. Default values I got here. So when I do this follow-up email, I know I'm always going to want to use the subject because I send it 100 times, right? Thanks for dropping by. And then I can also do the default email body. Here's all the information you need to know about our packages. I would imagine you would probably get more detailed than this one, but this is probably good enough for now. You'll see I can also alter the color. I can do the background color and the font color. So if I have specific types of processes, I can kind of assign colors to them and make it a little bit easier for my salespeople to find them based on their role or the type of opportunities they deal with. Sort order, this is what order the buttons are. So this is the third in my series right now, so just put a 3 there. Since this is an activity, there's some activity details as well. If I don't want to send this email right away, I can create it for a certain number of days out. The duration of the task, this is just a single click, so it only takes a minute. And then there's also this automatic option too, where if I'm clicking on the easy button, if it's automatic to yes, it will just send the email. I don't need to do anything else. All I have to do is click the button. It sends this email. Alternatively, I can also put it on automatic no. That means that the record will pop up, and if I want to edit details, if I want to personalize it, maybe put their name in the subject, I can make those changes before sending it off. But for me, I'm okay just doing yes here. And I also want to add one more step in my process here. So I'm going to go back and we're going to create one more button. And this, I need a follow-up for this customer 1 month out. So I'm going to do follow up in 1 month. This, I'm just going to do a task for now. I'll decide how I want to complete that task when it comes up in a month. Display on entity, we're just going to select all. Default subject, follow up standard package, because that's what they bought for me in this situation. And see if customer wants to reorder, offer discount coupon. All right, and so in this series, I'm doing green ones. So I'm just gonna do quick here. If I had the hex key, I could do that. If I wanted to change the font color, I could do that as well. Sort order, this is gonna be the 4th in the series. Days out, it's a month out, so I'll put 30 days. Duration, let's call it a half hour. And automatic, let's just go ahead and click yes for that. I don't need to do anything more fancy than that. So save and close this. All right, let's go back to our account here. I'll refresh the screen. Okay, so I have the new button here. Customer walks in, walk-in appointment goes well. They're interested in buying. So instead of creating all those different records, this is what I do as a salesperson now. Walk-in appointment. Done. Standard package oppo. Let's do some revenue here. $1,000. Save and close. So that's a non-automatic operation there that it popped that up. All the other information is already populated on there. Okay, I want to send that follow-up email. Boom, done. And then I want to follow up with this customer in 1 month. Done. That's it. That's how fast that was. So now if I go to the opportunity, I can see the standard package opportunity here. If I go to related and I go to activities, I can see those activities that I had completed already. So that's it. That's what you can do with Easy Buttons 2.0. I hope this was informative. The only limit is your imagination. So get out there, make those buttons, message us if you have any questions. We're really excited to give this to you. This is a free update for our premium and preferred on-track customers. And if you do not have Easy Buttons at all yet, please just reach out to us and we can help get that set up for you. Thank you so much. Have a good day.